Hi and welcome to another support video from Instrument Choice. In this video we will be unboxing the EC-pHTestr20 and setting it up. The EC-pHTestr20 is a highly accurate pH meter complete with automatic temperature compensation. The meter has a large dual LCD display for enhanced readability, auto buffer recognition for easy calibration, and a replaceable electrode. The meter is also IP67 rated, so it is water and dust proof, and as a bonus it floats on water. In the box you will find an instruction manual, the toxic or hazardous substance matrix, and a coloured specification sheet. A branded lanyard which it easily clips onto the top of the meter, and last of all, the all-in-one meter. The all-in-one design makes the device portable and easy to use with one hand. The double junction electrode is covered by a plastic cap. The battery housing lid twists off to expose the included batteries. When putting the lid back on, ensure it is on tight over the rubber seal to keep the device water and dust proof. Last of all, the clip on the top of the meter is to attach your lanyard. For more videos on the EC-pHTestr20, watch our how to calibrate and how to perform a user reset videos linked below. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.